Yo, so here it is at stage number 2. No electronics at all, like no ESC or whatever the hell. Just an electric motor and a battery. Some switches, protector, and simple car solenoids. So you can see it's just a bicycle. A little 24-volt motor. It's all kind of messed up here, but it's a ES100, 100 watt, 24 volt. It's off an electric scooter. I was trying to use the brains out of it. That's what the electronics out of it. Once they fried, I just decided to make my own because I'm not going to spend money on a little project like this. So I'll quickly run you through electronics. Okay, so here's your solenoid. So your power in is right here on the very top. Well, if you have a 5-point or a 4-point, this will work the exact same. The 4-point won't have that one in the middle. So you put your power in here to your battery. Your negative goes into the bottom. And then your other one you can just jump on the from left to right. You can just jump those two together, so those are on the same circuit. And what this is just once it powers up, this little switch just pings over and touches it. Well, actually it pings this way or this way depending on what kind of relay you have. So then on the bottom, you're trying to run an electric motor or whatever, right? On the very bottom on the other side, you bring it to the motor. And I will add too, in this line I always add a switch. So you can put a switch in there. Yeah, so this is going back to your motor. And this other side goes back to your other positive, or the other, dropping shit. So this goes back to the other direction on your motor. So if this one's on, or sorry, negative, this one's on positive. Have your fuse in there too. You don't have to do a fuse. It's up to you. I know it's kind of stupid little drawing, but look at it this way, it's actually simple. Here's the motor. I got 2 batteries going, so I've doubled it up so I can have a 12 volt for speed 1 and 24 volt for speed 2. It is really simple. Your battery just goes to a switch. You don't need that. That's just a fuse protector or a battery protector. 12 volt goes to a switch. Goes down to your number 1 terminal. Then after that, like I said, the 2 top ones jump. And that'll just be the top 2. And the bottom one, just run that to your motor. That's going to negative. And then on the other side, you're just running that right all the way around right to your battery. So once I get all this cleaned up, I'll make a better diagram. The wiring will be a lot easier to see. But I'll show you it working now. That's just at 12 volts. And there's a 24. So if you started pedaling a little bit, hit the 12 volt, go up to speed, hit that switch off, hit 24 volt, that'd be pretty good. I am planning on using this switch only. Just for some reason I hooked that other one up in there, so that's just temporary. So I'm pedaling, it'll just be on, off, on, off. So it'll be very simple. There it is, part 2 of my e-bike build. And kind of a quick video of how to hook up an electric motor to a battery with solenoids and switches instead of just hardwiring it and worrying about overheating your motor or overheating your wires. Yeah, that's why you use relays, so you don't overheat your whole system.